The Prowler is the best-selling RV of all time because they excel in value, reliability, and ease of use. Setup is a breeze with a power tongue jack, power stabilizer jacks, and an adjustable power awning. Mega bright pass-through storage gives you 52 cubic feet with big access doors and LED lights. Inside, Heartland's new Trio AC provides unmatched cooling performance with up to 50% more AC ducts for more efficient circulation. Cleaning is simplified with carpet-free flooring and Duralast countertops. There's a 10 cubic foot residential fridge, convertible sleeper sofa, and an entertainment center with Bluetooth. Come browse our wide selection of travel trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, and motorhomes at any of our 11 Great American RV Superstore locations or at greatamericanrv.com.